Hey, Patriots. I never do this, but today's the day. And I think we've all been waiting, uh, some of us patiently, some of us impatiently. If you are a anon, then you know this has been coming. If you're a bah, then you probably don't. But guess what? Doesn't matter because God wins. Um, this is the day that the Lord has made. We should rejoice and be glad in Him. It doesn't matter what your beliefs are or what you think is going to happen. Just understand that God is in control. And the storm is here. So let's enjoy it and watch it rain, right? No, I'm not gonna let it get me down. And I'm not gonna cry. And I'm not gonna lose any sleep tonight. 'Cause tomorrow's another day. And I'm thirsty anyway. So bring on the rain. Bring on the rain. Dark to light, Patriots. Dark to light.